Did you ever have an awkward moment in your life or an awkward period? I'm sure you had awkward moments, but...
Yes, no one believes me, but I did. When I was in like junior high school and high school, I had really bad acne.
Really?
So, yeah, I had like big blackheads, like not just zits. Yeah, it's disgusting, right? And like that just affected my self-esteem in a way in which I couldn't use my weapon, if you will. You know
Your
what I mean?
eyes?
Like I couldn't use them. Because I couldn't make eye contact.
Because you didn't want anybody to see your face.
That's it. I couldn't, like I would get close and then I'd have to look away because I just didn't want the girl to see my acne.
Wow.
Yeah. I was paralyzed by it, actually. It was really
So
bad.
how did you overcome that then?
I don't know, just time passed.
Yeah.
By the time I got to college, it had gone away. And started to gain some more confidence, I guess.
Started looking up?
Yeah, started making eye contact, and you know, from there we just kind of made it work.